innovation, science, and a passion for function and design. These are the concepts and ideas behind the creation of Silgranit. The ideals were really trying to bring something into the market what has never been there before, to create a material which is more scratch resistant, which is more temperature resistant, which doesn't get dirty when using it, to create a material which exceeds the property of anything else which we've seen in the market before. We thought, let's take the hardest part of granite, one of the most durable materials on Earth, and engineer it into a moldable material which retains all of granite's strengths and beauty. To get where we are today has not been quick or simple. This has been a process of continuous innovation for over 30 years. We have taken the kitchen sink and reinvented it, creating something very beautiful and durable. A material that won't easily scratch or stain. A sink that is non-porous and literally pushes away dirt and liquids. We are very proud of our product, and we are proud it's made in Canada and in Germany. With hundreds of shapes, sizes and colors available, Silgranit sinks are the perfect combination of function, design and imagination.